When S sounds like Z. Part 2. Third person verbs. Is, z, and s. English in color. Okay, part 1. ES as is. This is z, but it's an S. Words ending in j, s, x, z, ch, and sh. Here we go. J, jizz. Edge, edges. Age, ages. S, sizz. Miss, misses. Race, races. X, x's. Box, boxes. Mix, mixes. Z, ziz. Buzz, buzzes. Glaze, glazes. Chiz. Hatch, hatches. Pitch, pitches. Shiz. Push, pushes. Wish, wishes. Alright. Part 2. Just S as z. This means z. Words ending in vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, ah, U, oo, oi, and ow. Let's do A. A's. Stay. Should be stays. Nay. Nays. Stay, stays. Nay, nays. E. Ease. Flee. Fleas. Baby, babies. I, eyes. Fly, flies. Buy, buys. O, S or ES, O's. Go, goes. Bow, bows. Ah, ahs. Flaw, flaws. Ah, ahs, ahs. Okay, you, use. Imbue, imbues. View, views. Ooh, ooze. Let's see. Woo, woos. Chew, choose. It's small. Oi, oys. Toy, toys. Ow, ows. This isn't a verb. Let's make it plow, plows. Alright. Part 2b. The same. S as z. Words ending in these consonants. B, d, g, l, m, n, v. So, b. Jab, jabs. Probe, probes. D. Wed, weds. Code, codes. G. Jog, jogs. Rig, rigs. Ul. Fill, fills. Rile, riles. Seem, seems. Come, comes. Let's see. Run, runs. Stone, stones. Wear, wears. Care, cares. Drive, drives. Rave, raves. Okay, part 3. S as S, the normal S sound. Words ending in K, F, P, T. Only 4. Let's see. K. Speak, speaks. Make, makes. F. Sniff, sniffs. Laugh, laughs. P. Hop, hops. Mope, mopes. And T. Wait, waits. Great, greats. So let's do some reading practice. Here are the sounds. A, E, I, O, U, Oi, ow, She talks to her cat while her friend films. She talks to her cat while her friend films. The car crashes and burns while everybody watches. The car crashes and burns while everybody watches. Oh. Ronaldo scores and the audience applauds. Ronaldo scores and the audience applauds. Yay! And here. The dog sniffs around and eats some garbage. The dog sniffs around and eats some garbage. Last one. John tips the waiter and goes to his car. John tips the waiter and goes to his car. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.